Welcome back. It's Chili Devin back to another video. I'd like to welcome back all my subscribers to all my new viewers. This is the channel where we're talking about my top stocks. We'll also talk about dividend stocks. Also talk about passive income. If you're new, please click the subscribe button and click this notification bell to get my frequent updates. Well, I want to thank everybody for stopping by the channel. Please hit the like button. It does help the YouTube algorithm. Okay, some of the top stocks today was SoFi. SoFi was up 2.69%. Also, we had the chip maker AMD up 1.91%. And we also had ChargePoint bounce back today, 9.54%. And we had Ford up 1%. So those were some of my top stocks today. In the Robinhood today, we were up 1.58% for a gain of $38. Not too impressive there, but overall, for this size portfolio, 1.58% is pretty good. Okay, so we had Amazon shares up today, 1.40, and then we had Shopify up 3.36%. What else do we have? Nvidia shares were up 1.80%, hitting $460 per share. Again, Nvidia has been a great stock this year. Nvidia shares were up today 1.15%, and as you can see in this position, I'm up over 88% in this portfolio on my Nvidia. So looks like I doubled my money or grew my money over $88 in this position in Nvidia. Okay, so nice gain in Nvidia. Again, up today 1.80% on the day. Okay, so that was one of the hot stocks, Nvidia. Now we're going to go to the TD account. Okay, we're in the TD Ameritrade account today. It was a gain of $530. Tesla shares were up 1.65% for a gain of $200. SoFi Technology was up 2%. And if you had been adding shares, you would be doing great right now. Okay, last week we did see the shares dip below $8 to $7.50. This week they're back up over 50 cents, back in $8.35. So if you took advantage of the dip last week, you're looking good this week. Okay, ChargePoint, which we did see a bounce today, up 9.78%. Again, I'm not sure how much I should hold on to this one because Tesla is becoming like its own charging station company. They've partnership with GM, Ford, and other big automakers. So ChargePoint may become irrelevant unless they can come up with a strategy to beat Tesla. Okay, but shares did rebound today, up 9.78%. AMD shares up 1.97%. And Ford shares up 1.10%. And we did already mention Nvidia. Nvidia shares up 1.22%. And also Amazon shares up 0.96%. So those are some of the hot stocks. Now, let's take a look at the big time losers today. Okay, it looks like AMT shares were down slightly, 2.14%. Again, this is a dividend paying stock. And COP, which was up yesterday, up a couple percent today, they're down a little bit. Energy stock, ConocoPhillips was down today, 1.17%. Also in tech, Microsoft was down 0.25%. Apple down 0.25%. And Google shares holding on, only down almost 0.25% as well. So those are some opportunities. Again, Microsoft, Apple, and Google, and ConocoPhillips. Remember, unfortunately, there is a war raging over in the Middle East, and that could impact the market. Okay. Lastly, we are on CNBC, and Dow futures are up right now. S&P futures up. NASDAQ futures up. Oil is up as well. These are futures projections. Again, the big news is over the weekend. Israel is being hit by the Hamas attack. Several people found dead after the attack on the Gaza Strip. So the world is worried about Israel right now. So that's a very concerning issue. What else we got? Right now, the FTX code is going on. Bankman-Fried is on trial. So that's going on with the cryptocurrency. So what else do we have here? I think that's it as far as today Birkenstock IPO set. Birkenstock, this is the Birkenstock shoes. The Birkenstock IPO price was set at $46 per share. Okay. So if you're interested in Birkenstock prices, if you like the Birkenstock shoe, this stock share should be available pretty soon, either $46 or higher. Okay, so that's the IPO price right now. Remember, we do have CPI or inflation data coming out on Wednesday. So we do have some news that will cause some volatility in the market. Other than that, the U.S. 10-year Treasury note was down today slightly, and that did help the market as well. But other than that, the biggest news is the Israel-Hamas conflict. Okay, that kind of rocked the Middle East this past weekend. Says here, Biden condemns the terror and bloodshed by Hamas, and the U.S. will continue to support Israel. Okay, that is the news there. And so that's all I have today. Again, let's take a quick look at the hot stocks. Today, the hot stocks were SoFi. SoFi was up 2.69%, ChargePoint up 9.54%, and AMD up 1.91%, and Ford. Also, don't forget Shopify is another hot stock. If you like, e-commerce and that sort of thing, very similar to Amazon. Shopify. Okay, Shopify was a hot stock. Let me take a quick look at Shopify. Okay, one more stock as I close. Shopify today was up over 2.92%. Very hot stock. Keep following the e-commerce giant. Could be making a new strategic move. Okay, so I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share, and I'll see you guys in the next one.